If you usually feel sleep-deprived, dizzy, and muddle-headed, today I will teach you a set of simple and easy-to-do head relaxation techniques. Step 1. Let's make our hands into a claw shape and gently knead here, just like this. First, make your hands into a claw shape, then place them on your head and shake your arms, moving little by little towards the top of your head. Step 2. Let's clench our fists first, and then use our arms to roll on one side of the head. If you feel the force is relatively light, we can use the knuckles of our little fingers to swing and stimulate the head. Step 3. Gently knead your temples with your fingers. Be careful not to use too much force. Just knead your head like this. After finishing, grasp your scalp with all 5 fingers. This can effectively relax the head. Step 4. We can then massage this area of the occipital bone. Make your hand into a hook shape and place it on the occipital bone area. Gently knead at the junction of the occipital bone and the neck. After kneading, relax the entire occipital bone area. Step 5. We can do a tapping relaxation. Gently tap with palms together. After completing this set of techniques, the entire head will feel very relaxed. Quickly learn it for your family. Learn home back massage in 1 minute. Step 1. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Step 2. Straight push the daswi acupoint area. Step 3. Divide and push both sides of the scapula. Step 4. Straight push the bladder meridian on both sides. Step 5. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 6. Clench your fist and rub your back until warm. Finally, soothe the entire back muscles. Today I will share a set of techniques for relaxing the trapezius muscle, especially for those whose left and right trapezius muscles are thicker and harder. It is crucial to focus on unblocking them. First, let's relax the trapezius muscle position from side to side. The first movement is finger pushing. Pushing in an L shape, from behind the ear to the shoulder tip. When pushing, our 4 fingers are on top and the thumb is underneath. The web between the thumb and index finger clasps the trapezius muscle. The force should be lighter below the ear and in the neck area. The force can be increased in the trapezius muscle position. And the force should be lighter again at the shoulder bone position. After pushing out, pull it back. After pushing the left side, push the right side. The techniques for both sides are the same. Follow the principle of light, heavy, light when pushing. The second movement is finger knuckle pushing. When doing this finger knuckle push, our hands can be in a half-clenched position. Do not clench your fists too tightly. If you clench your fists too tightly, it will press against the bone and make you uncomfortable. Follow the same principle of light, heavy, light when pushing. Push downwards with force and slide upwards effortlessly. The third movement is plucking and kneading. When plucking and kneading, our hands are also in a half-clenched position, placed on both sides of the trapezius muscle, plucking from the neck to the shoulder tip. If the trapezius muscle is thick and hard, and it's difficult to pluck and knead horizontally, we can use vertical plucking and kneading. The point of force for this movement is with the 4 fingers on top and the thumb underneath. The web between the thumb and index finger clasps the trapezius muscle. After straightening the arm, first sink the body's weight downwards. And then use the 4 fingers to drive the thumb to lift and pluck upwards. If the thick part of the trapezius muscle is wider, then we can lift and pluck upwards inch by inch from top to bottom. If you want stronger penetration, you can have 8 fingers on top and the thumb underneath. When you use this method to lift and pluck, the penetration will be stronger. The 4th movement is called draining. Use both thumbs to push upwards and reach the Feng Fu acupoint position. The other 4 fingers grasp the trapezius muscles on the left and right sides and pull and drain towards the back, draining to the position of the largest sewer in our body, which is the bladder meridian. The 5th technique is elbow pushing. If you encounter a particularly thick trapezius muscle and want very strong penetration, you can use your elbow to operate. Apply massage oil to your elbow to ensure lubrication. Then, when we push from the neck to the shoulder tip. You can increase the force in the trapezius muscle position. For people with shorter necks, you can swing your elbow back and forth. If you can't swing it open, we can also push up and down. Wedge your elbow into the trapezius muscle position and press down with your body's weight. Push upwards from bottom to top. You need to apply force when pushing upwards from bottom to top. And do not apply force when sliding downwards. You can also use both elbows simultaneously to operate. Push upwards from bottom to top, and then pull back to the junction of the head and neck. When you use both elbows to push, the experience will be stronger. After doing these 5 movements, the trapezius muscle will be well decompressed. Because most people's trapezius muscles are relatively tired, each movement should be repeated 8 times. 3-line unblocking techniques for the arm. Step 1. Straight push the pericardium meridian in the middle line with the thumb pad. Step 2. Point knead the heart meridian and lung meridian on both sides with finger pads. Step 3. Perform a Z-shape alternating push with both hands. Step 4. Clench one hand into a fist and push the entire arm with finger knuckles. Push one side and then push the other side. Step 5. Clench both hands into fists and strengthen the push on the entire arm. Step 6. Pinch and knead the entire small hand muscles with fingers. Step 7. Pat and relax the entire arm with the palm. Have you learned this simple technique? 4-step method for abdominal massage at home. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. First, spread the oil counterclockwise. First step, use your fingertips to push straight across the middle of the abdomen, then retract from both sides. Second step, use your knuckles to push down the ribs from top to bottom. Third step, use both hands alternately to rub the dimeridian. A smooth dimeridian prevents the growth of excess flesh. Fourth step, use the heel of your palm to make circles on the abdomen, clockwise for bowel movement, counterclockwise to stop diarrhea. Hey, are your legs feeling a bit heavy, stiff, or just plain tired? Guess what? A simple lower leg massage can really get things flowing and make a big difference. It's super easy to learn and do right at home. Massaging your lower legs helps to significantly improve your blood circulation throughout your whole body. This can really ease that achy soreness and stiffness you often get from sitting or standing for too long, or even after a good workout. Plus, it gently activates the important energy pathways, or meridians, in your legs, helping your blood return to your heart more efficiently. If you often experience cold hands and feet, or if your metabolism feels a little sluggish, this simple massage can be a great way to help improve those things. It also aids your body in getting rid of built-up metabolic waste, which can leave you feeling less tired and reduce that puffy, swollen feeling. It's not some complicated professional treatment, just a simple and effective way to boost your circulation and overall energy levels right at home.
Step 1. Start from the toes. Massaging the head reflex area. Step 2. Massage the thyroid and heart reflex areas. Step 3. Massage the liver, kidney, and gallbladder reflex areas. Step 4. Massage the stomach and pancreas reflex areas. Step 5. Massage the intestines and ureter reflex areas. Step 6. Massage the gonads, insomnia point. Step 7. Massage the sciatic nerve.